welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn vocabulary about sports, and I'm sure that those are very useful vocabulary for ones who are completely interested in sports. And in our lesson today, I will only mention the extreme sports, which are activities perceived as involving a high degree of risk. So first, look at this picture. This sport's called bungee jumping. Okay, bungee jumping. Bungee jumping is a sport in which a person jumps from a high place, such as a bridge. Okay, how about next one? Paragliding. Paragliding. Okay, paragliding is a sport in which you wear a special structure, jump from a high place, and carried by the wind before coming down. And the next one, parachuting. Parachuting. Okay, parachuting is to jump from an aircraft using a special equipment. Okay, so what is the difference between paragliding and parachuting? So paragliding is a sport in which you wear a special structure and you will carry this along you when you come jumping from a high place until you're coming down. How about parachuting? Parachuting, first you jumping from an aircraft, and then before you come down, so the special structure will fly away. Okay. And now we will move to the aquatic sports category. First, snorkeling. Okay, this is called snorkeling. Snorkeling is to swim underwater, the surface of the water, and while you breathe air through a tube. And another one is scuba diving. Scuba diving is the sport or activity of swimming, underwater, but using special breathing equipment consists of a container of air you will carry on your back and a tube through which you breathe the air. So, what is the difference between snorkeling and scuba diving? Snorkeling, when you swim underwater, you will breathe through a tube, only a tube. However, with scuba diving, you swim underwater and you will breathe through air equipment consists of the container of air and a tube. This sport we call kayaking. Kayaking. Kayaking is the activity or sport of traveling in a light canoe in which the part where you sit is covered over. And the next one, this is called canoeing. Canoeing is the sport of traveling or racing in a light boat which you move along in the water with a paddle. And this one, also like another sport or racing in canoe. However, jet skiing is the activity of riding across the water on a vehicle. This is a vehicle with an engine like a motorcycle. So, what is the difference between kayaking and canoeing? Kayaking, you will travel in a light canoe. However, in kayaking, the part where you sit is covered over, as you can see in the picture. How about canoeing? Canoeing doesn't have this, so you just sit in light, narrow boat. And how about difference between canoeing and jet skiing? I think that many people make mistake in differentiate canoeing and jet skiing. So now let's make it clear. Canoeing, you will move along the water in a light narrow boat with a paddle, with a paddle. However, Jet skiing, you ride across the water in a vehicle with an engine. So that is all the vocabulary about extreme sports today. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye.